Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And this is a device that does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled because as we can see here during the setup process, we come to the screen that tells us that the phone was factory reset, and to continue, we have to either verify the previous security PIN screen lock that was used, or if we tap on Use My Google Account instead, it'll pull up the secondary option that tells us that we can also sign in with a Google account that was previously on the phone in order to be able to get through and use it. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. At any rate, we're now making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. The process is something that we do directly to the phone while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we just did here with this one. So, as you can see, the device was on the Google Lock page, and then I just plugged it into our computer program that goes ahead and takes care of that lock for us. Now that the device is restarting, we should be able to see that we can access all the features and functions of the device without running into that Google Lock. And the first thing we'll notice is that it actually boots up directly to the device's lock screen, where all of the notifications and alerts generally pop up. And then if we swipe that away, we can see that it does go directly to the home screen, so we've totally bypassed and skipped all of the initial setup steps and along with it the Google account lock. So it's all new and set to go. You have access to all the apps and everything on the phone, and it's just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to pop into the settings real quick just to show you exactly what we are working with. So when we go under About Phone, there we go. We do indeed see that we have a Galaxy Z Flip 4, and then that model number there, the SM-F721U, that is the model number of all of the US versions of the Flip 4, no matter which carrier it's originally from. So if you have one of these Flip 4s that has the Google account lock enabled and need help getting it removed, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.